just received my NutriForce Extractor from Froothie, and I've just unravelled all the different parts from the box. Here we have the base unit, which has got a pulse, an on-off button and a low-high button. We have a tall jug. There is a smaller jug. There are two lids that come with the unit, so you can use them to store the smoothies, etc., in the jugs themselves. We have two different types of blades here. So we've got the extractor blade, which is this one. You can see it's slightly more raised and pronounced. And then we have this blade, which is actually for grinding. There's also another lid, which is actually got like a little flip lid on top of it, so that you can put that onto your small cup and take that to work or on the go. In all, the unit seems quite compact with loads of different accessories. There's also a little handle that you can put onto one of the jugs to hold the jug or carry it around in your kitchen, or to make easy pouring. And I shall be sharing a recipe that I've created in it very, very soon. Today I'm testing the NutriForce Extractor from Froothie, and I'm making an apple, cucumber and spinach smoothie. So we have our small jug here, and I'm going to put some fruit into the jug. And 1/4 cup of water and a splash of honey. Now this is the blender blade, which we are going to place over the jug and make sure that it's securely locked, and then turn the jug over. Now in the base there, you've got 3 little notches which we're going to fit into the base unit and lock it into place. On the blender itself, there is an on-off button and a low-high speed setting. So we're going to press the on-off button, and the red light will flash, indicating that the jug is locked in place. And then we're going to press the speed button. So I've pulsed my ingredients for about 30 seconds, and I now have a lovely smoothie all ready. So we're going to undo the actual blade from the jug, and here I have an on-the-go cup with a flip lid, which I can place on my jug itself, and I now have a smoothie to go.